Hey gang, Caleb Shaw back at another one. Shaw Realty, Homes for Heroes. I'm standing out here at the college now because this can be your front yard if you come over here to at 2108 Loma Vista. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2149 square foot and sought after Brownson Terrace. Guys, this neighborhood is cool. I like it. It's got custom houses, trees in the yard, and again, the college is in your front yard. You can walk right across the street, knock out that degree you've been putting off, make it happen. Caleb Shaw, Shaw Realty, Homes for Heroes, 361-237-8727.